Hello everyone. Children, in this video I'm going to continue with exercise 8.3 chapter 8 algebraic expression and identities for class 8, and this is according to the revised NCERT syllabus. Okay children, so let's start with the third question. Here what we have to do, we have to find the product. Okay, so the first question is a to the power 2 or a square into 2a to the power 22 multiplied by 4a to the power 36. Okay, तो इसको हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमको? यहाँ देखिए. What we are going to do? First we are going to multiply the numerical coefficient. Here nothing is mentioned. It means it is 1 into 2 into 4. Okay. Then you write the base. Here also the base is a. Here also the base is a. Here also the base is a. Okay. So it will be a to the power 2 into a to the power 22 into a to the power 36. Okay. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So 8. And children, here we have to apply the laws of exponents. When the bases are same, the multiplication operation has been applied, then the powers will get added. Okay, so 2 plus 22 plus 36, all the powers will get added. So it will be 8a raised to the power 24 plus 36. That gives us 8a raised to power 16. Okay children? So children, in the second question we have to multiply 2 upon 3 x y multiplied by minus 9 by 10 x square into y square. Okay, so what we are going to do? First we are going to write the fractions, the numerical coefficients here. So 2 upon 3 minus 9 by 10. Okay, then we will write the variables xy multiplied by x to the power 2 y to the power 2. Okay children? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and here the minus sign will come. 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, now it will be minus 3.5. Okay children, now what we are going to write? We are going to take the same base together. Okay, here also x and here also x, so we will write it together. Okay, into then y into y to the power 2. Children, now we can apply the laws of exponents here. Yeah, the bases are same, multiplication operation is there, so the powers will get added. So it will be minus 3 upon 5 into x to the power 3 into y to the power 3. Okay, so this is your answer. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, in the third part we have to multiply minus 10 upon 3 pq to the power 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5 p raised to power 3 into q. Okay, now what we are going to do? First we are going to write this fractions, the numerical coefficients together. So minus 10 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5, then we are going to write this variable pq to the power 3 into p raised to the power 3 into q. Okay, now what we are going to do? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. In multiplication, if the fractions are there, we can diagonally, we can cancel numerator and denominator, we can cancel. Okay, now what we are going to do? Here 2 2s are 4, so it will come here minus 4. Okay, and then we are going to write the variables. Okay, that is they are the same basis, so we are going to write it together. ओके, एक साथ लिखेंगे. उसके बाद we can apply the laws of exponent. यहाँ पे laws of exponents अप्लाई करना. It will be -4, है ना. बेसिस जब सेम होते हैं तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाते हैं जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑपरेशन अप्लाई होता है. सो इट विल बी -4 p raised to the power 4 q raised to the power 4. क्योंकि 3 + 1 4 and here 3 + 1 4. Okay children? Children, the last part of the third question is the easiest one. Okay, x multiplied by x to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 3 and multiplied by x to the power 4. Same basis, laws of exponents just apply करिए क्योंकि multiplication है operation, so we will just add all the powers. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so it will be 3 plus 3 plus 4. That is x to the power 10. Okay, so children, अब मुझे लगता है कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से आप लोगों को algebraic expression को multiply करना आ गया होगा. और children, if you are okay and fine with the explanations, okay, and still you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly do it. Kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so very much.